Explain process of creating and connecting an SQLite database in Android. Write the steps involved in performing CRUD operation. SQLite is an embedded database that stores data in tables consisting of rows and columns. It supports SQL commands such as create, insert, select, update, and delete. Features of SQLite: built into Android, lightweight and fast, no separate server required, supports SQL queries, works offline, secure and reliable. Processes of creating and connecting SQL database. Step 1. Create a database helper class. Create a class that extends SQLite Open Helper. SQLite Open Helper एक साल. This class manages database creation, database upgrade, database connection. Step 2. Create the database. Create a database using a name and version. Example database name studentdb version 1. Step 3. Create tables. Use the SQL create table command. Example create table student. Step 4. Open the database. Use the helper class to obtain a writable or readable database. The application is now connected to SQLite. Step 5. Perform CRUD operations. Use SQL commands to insert, retrieve, update and delete records. SQLite database working. सबसे पहले एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन, फिर नीचे SQLite हेल्पर, उसके बाद नीचे SQLite डाटाबेस, फिर नीचे टाइप्स बनाकर क्रिएट, रीड, अपडेट, डिलीट. उसके बाद CRUD operations. CRUD stands for create, read, update and delete. Create or insert data. The create data operation inserts new records into the database. SQL command: insert into student name, course, values, Ali, MCA. Example, adding a new student record. Second, read, retrieve data. Read or retrieve data. Read operation retrieves records stored in database. SQL command: select star from student and statement. Displaying all students in the application. Example, displaying all the students in the application. Third, update or modify data. The update operation changes existing records. SQL command: update student, set course is equal to single scores, MBA, single score closed, नीचे where ID is equal to 1. Example, updating a student's course. 4. Delete or remove data. Delete operation removes records from the database. SQL command: delete from student where नीचे लिखना है ID is equal to 1. End of statement. Example, deleting a student record. CRUD flow diagram. Database, नीचे arrow create, नीचे arrow read, नीचे arrow update, नीचे arrow delete. Applications of SQLite. SQLite is widely used in student management system, packing application, contact management, hospital management, inventory management, notes applications, offline mobile apps. Advantage of SQLite: built into Android, lightweight and fast, no internet required, easy to use, supports SQL queries, secure local storage, reliable for offline applications. Disadvantage of SQLite: not suitable for very large databases, limited support for multiple users, requires SQL knowledge, less suitable for distributed system. Real life example: a library management app. Create a new book to the data. Add a new book to the database. Read. Display all the available books. Update. Change the quantity of a book. Delete. Remove an old and damaged book from the database.